Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create or register RHB online banking account. RHB Bank is a provider of integrated financial services that include retail banking, business transaction banking, wholesale banking, insurance, and many more. Now, firstly, for that, you need to open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.rhbgroup.com and press enter. Now you will be directly lead to their home page. Now at the top right, you can see the option login. Click over there. Here you can see various type of option. We need to go on the first one, RHB online banking. Again, this kind of interface will appear. If you have an account, then you can simply enter your username and go for the further process. But for this video, we are about to register, so we will click on this option. Now here you need to enter your card number or your loan account number. After that, you need to simply click on next. And now you will get a one-time password on your phone text on the phone number that you have kept on your bank account. And after that, you need to enter OTP for the verification. After that, you need to enter your username and create yourself a very strong password. Again, after that, you need to enter your email address. Then you need to choose your secure word for further verification. After that, you need to go through all the terms and conditions. After reading it, now agree with all those terms and conditions and click on submit. Again, after that, you need to enter 2 challenge questions for extra security purpose. Select the questions and enter the answers. After that, you need to click on the authorize option and then you will be registered for your RHB online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.